Hi everyone, welcome to today's session on three powerful and practical concepts in basic entrepreneurship: lean canvas, value proposition, and understanding the difference between customers and consumers. Now we will discuss about what is lean canvas. Lean canvas is a one-page business plan designed for startups and entrepreneurs. It was created by Ash Maurya and is adapted from the original business model Canvas. The idea is simple. Instead of spending months writing a traditional business plan, you can sketch your entire business model on one page and adjust it quickly as you learn. It's perfect for early stage ideas. It includes 9 building blocks of lean canvas. It means problem. What key problems are you solving? Customer segments. Who has those problems? Unique value proposition. What is your solution's core value? Solution. How exactly do you solve the problem? Channels. How will you reach your customers? Revenue streams. How will you make money? Cost structure. What are your main cost? Key metrics. What numbers show you are on track? Unfair advantage. What makes you hard to copy? You can draw this out on a whiteboard or use template on. It helps you think fast, validate idea and pivot when needed. Why lean canvas matters. Entrepreneurs often make a big mistake. They assume their idea is perfect from the start. The lean canvas help you test assumptions before spending time or money building sometimes nobody wants. It is not about writing a perfect plan. It's about staying flexible and focused on what matters most. Solving real problem for real people. What is value proposition? Value proposition is the clear, simple reason why someone would choose your product or service. It's not just what you sell, it's why it matters. It answers this question: what value you are offering that solve a real problem or improve someone's life. Components of a strong value proposition. A strong value proposition usually has a clear target audience, a specific problem you are solving, a simple explanation of how your product or service solves that problem, a reason why it's better than the alternatives. Value proposition versus features. Remember, a value proposition is about the benefit, not just feature. For example, a feature is our battery lasts 10 hours. The value is you can work all day without worrying about charging. Always ask, what problems does this solve for the customers? For example, let's look at Spotify. Problem is people wants access to music without paying for each song. Solution is a streaming service with million of songs. Value proposition. Music for everyone. You get access anytime, anywhere, free with ads or premium without. Now we will discuss about customers versus consumers. Who is customer? Now let's move to the another key concept, the difference between the customers and consumers. It is easy to assume they are the same, but they are not. The customer is the person who buys the product. The consumer is the person who uses it. Sometimes they are the same, sometimes they are different. And as an entrepreneur, you need to know both. For example, let me give you a few quick examples. A parent buy toys, the child plays with them. Means the parent buy toys means customer, child play with them means consumer. A hospital buys medical software means customer. Doctors and nurses uses it consumers. A, s- a school buys textbook customers. Students use them consumers. Why does it matters? Because your marketing message and product design might need to speak to both groups, especially if one pays, the other use. Case study. Educational app. Let's say you are building an educational app for kids. Kids are the consumers. They use the app. Parents are the customers. They decide whether to download or pay. So your app must be fun and engaging for kids, but safe and educational and trustworthy for parents. If you ignore one group, the business work won't work. These concepts are connected. Let's bring all together. Use the lean canvas to map out your business idea. Craft a strong value proposition that speaks to real needs. Identify your customers and consumers clearly and design with both in mind. These tools help you to test early, stay lean, and build something people actually want. The lean canvas is a simple one page business model tool. The value proposition explains the real benefit your product delivers. Customers and consumers are often different, understand both. Whether you are just exploring an idea or ready to launch, these tools help you avoid common mistake. Don't build in isolation. Don't guess what people want. Use the lean canvas to test your thinking. Craft a real, clear value message and know exactly who you are serving. In this session, we learn about lean canvas value proposition and customers versus consumers. If you ready, grab a canvas and start filling it out with your idea. And remember, get feedback early and often.